Hi, I am Sheikh Mahbub Basha. Welcome to my channel, Happy Learning. Explain the formation of stationary waves in an air column enclosed in open pipe. Derive the equations for the frequencies of the harmonics produced. Harmonics. The frequencies which are integral multiples of fundamental frequency are known as harmonics. Overtones. The frequencies higher than the fundamental frequency are known as overtones. Argon pipe. An argon pipe is a cylindrical tube having an air column. Open pipe. If both ends of the argon pipe are open, it is known as an open pipe. This is a typical open pipe, a cylindrical tube open at both ends. When a sound wave is sent through the pipe, this is the wave. The wave gets reflected at the ends of the pipe. So this is the reflected wave. These two waves form longitudinal stationary waves. This is one antinode, this is another antinode. At the open ends, always antinodes are formed. Look at these points. These are nodes. There may be one or more nodes in between the two antinodes formed at the open ends. Harmonics in open pipe. First harmonic or fundamental frequency represented by symbol N1. Least number of nodes and antinodes possible is called the first harmonic or fundamental mode. Here an antinode at each end and a node in between them. This is a open pipe. So antinodes at both ends and in between there is only one node, and here length of the tube is L. This is the fundamental mode of formation of stationary wave. Here this length of the tube L equal to lambda 1 by 2. First harmonic, so using symbol L, lambda 1 and half loop plus half loop together equal to one loop. Its length is lambda by 2, or lambda 1 equal to 2L. Let V equal to velocity of a sound. Then V equal to N1 lambda 1 or N1 equal to V by lambda 1. Substituting the value of lambda 1, we get n1 is equal to v by 2l. Let it be equation number 1. Let us highlight this formula, n1 equal to v by 2l. Okay. Now, second harmonic or first overtone represented by symbol n2. It will have 2 notes and 3 antinodes. Let it be the open pipe. We have definitely antinode at both ends, and in between we have 2 nodes. In fundamental case, 1 node, here it is 2 nodes. At the outer edges, definitely antinodes only. Here, the length of the tube L equal to lambda 2. Half plus 1 plus half together, 2 loops, therefore L equal to lambda 2. Frequency N2 is given by V by lambda 2. Substituting the value of lambda 2 as L, we get V by L. That is equal to 2 into V by 2L. In place of V by 2L, you can write N1. Therefore, N2 equal to 2N1. Let it be equation number 2. Now, third harmonic or second overtone represented by symbol N3. It will have 3 nodes and 4 antinodes. So this is the open tube. There should be antinodes at the open ends, and here we got 3 nodes in between the 2 outer antinodes. So together 3 nodes, 4 antinodes, and length of the tube as usual is taken as L. Here length of the tube L equal to 3 lambda 3 by 2. As it is third case, lambda 3 symbol is taken, or lambda 3 equal to 2L by 3. Frequency, because it is the third case, frequency N3 is equal to velocity by wavelength V by lambda 3. Substitute the value of lambda 3, you get V by 2L by 3. This 3 can be taken into the numerator. Then finally we get N3 equal to 3V by 2L. In place of V by 2L, you can substitute N1. Therefore, N3 is equal to 3N1. Let it be equation number 3. Let us highlight this equation. Now, the frequencies of the higher harmonics can be derived in the same way. It can be observed that in the case of an organ pipe open at both ends, all the harmonics can be formed. From equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3, we can write N1 is to N2 is to N3 is to and so on is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to and so on. Okay, right.